Speech-to-text is one of the most important functions of Bohemicus. Thanks to Bohemicus, you can use the speech-to-text feature in virtually any Windows application. So now I'm going to dictate one sentence in several languages, as well as I'm going to dictate it in several Windows applications, so that you can see that you can use Bohemicus actually anywhere in your Windows system, in any application that allows any text input. Also, you can use it in any language currently supported by Google. Just make sure that you always switch the language settings of your Android device to your respective language.
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Rychlá hnědá liška skáče přes líného psa. Der schnelle Braunfuchs springt über den faulen Hund.
In order to use this feature, you will need to download and install the Bohemicus Android app into your Android device. Next, you will need to pair your Windows machine with your Android device using Bluetooth. If you don't know how to pair your devices using Bluetooth, please watch the respective video on this channel. The link is in the description. And yes, if you want to use the speech-to-text feature, you will need Bluetooth. This is generally no problem on laptops, but might be a minor inconvenience with desktop computers, as they might not be equipped with a Bluetooth adapter. In such a case, I would recommend buying an external Bluetooth adapter. It only costs some 10 or 20 euro and can be purchased on Amazon or any local computer shop in your respective country. Just go to the internet and just look for the Bluetooth adapter or dongle on, for instance, Amazon. Now, once you have paired your Android device with your Windows machine, you can run Bohemicus both in Windows as well as in your Android device. Your mobile phone or tablet should connect to your Windows machine automatically. Watch the connected message on your Android screen as well as an info box at the bottom right of your Windows desktop. And you are done! Now just leave your Android device laying on your desktop, but make sure its screen stays turned on. This is needed due to technical reasons, as Bluetooth transmission runs much more smoothly with your Android screen turned on. You can now press a dedicated hotkey on your PC keyboard to initiate the speech-to-text feature. By default, this hotkey is the tilt key, but you can redefine it, should you wish so, on the Hotkeys tab. So you can redefine it right here. As you can see, it is this hotkey right here, or respectively this one. Watch the respective video on how to work with hotkeys. The link is in the description. Bohemicus will activate your Android device and listen to what you say. Your recorded speech data will then be analyzed, converted to text, sent back to Windows and pasted into your target application.